McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Internet Jennifer Obayama.
You and near seafood okra soup, baby white okra to say the way I before you more okra, no more fat red oil na bibianye, a bear seafood okra, and a bear the prawns kakabigum, the squid kakabicum, and one so you be chunking kakadiagum, nam na a day, na side of stew. Stew, you know, me opted for fish stew because me prefer fish pan into a white crocano, a best seasoning a chene kama, need a tomato gravy on the side. A bay by name choose a bay trigari, a Becca Gary.
All right, thank you so much for coming to your Metro inside. Hope we are tasting it first, and I'll let you know. And yet, the member gonna phone who sang it.
Oh, not a problem at all.
All right, say hi. All right, thank you.
McBrown's kitchen.
Stand by.
Get to cano. Get it bow.
Action.
No am I in here. Get to cano. Get it bow. So when yeah, my share.
So many things in common. Oh, I ever come here. I'm going to DJ.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Let's go. Wherever it's dancing.
I respect you, Gina. I need to tell you, Gina. Too much for me, oh Gina. Like the way you do, oh Gina. Gina, you my Gina. Want to take you out on a dinner. I want to call you one more tender. Make you.
McBrown's kitchen.
Okay, people, this is Nana Ama McBrown, and I'm on McBrown's Kitchen today. Behind the scene, I'm here with my beautiful, lovely, talented little empress. Apart from
Empresses,
empresses,
yeah.
Empresses. Becca,
Yes,
thank you
ma'am.
for coming to
Thank you
McBrown's
so much for
Kitchen.
having me here. It was amazing.
Oh yeah, well, I knew the I do. Maybe I will make one son.
Bajo mate.
Eso vamos a mfa pony through.
Me bajo mate.
Who shouts na kasa wona aye.
Minka, share. Minka. I promise you on my honor.
McBrown's Kitchen who say.
It's really beautiful, honestly. Your set is very nice. You know, everything, even up to ingredients, I'm surprised. Everything was so fresh, you know, because a lot of times, even when I'm going to buy prawns, it's so hard to get fresh prawns. Everything was fresh. The crew was really encouraging. They were fun. They were very professional as well. Everybody was just like, everybody was doing what they had to do, you know. If there's no break, nobody's smiling, you know. And it was a break, everybody's really friendly. And I think that really your sponsors as well are really, really doing well, you know, and it's encouraging. And I'm going home with a huge package, which is not really done on most sets, you know. Even in setting abroad, come on, it's like you give you one gift, they say, okay, look under your table, you find one thing there. In team, if it's my idea plan.
Thank you so much.
I think that it's so beautiful, honestly, and you always look gorgeous. Well. And you're fun. That's what makes it fun, you know.
Hey, where is she now? Come and say, hug your fan. To see your fan, you're a celebrity, right?
I love both of you.
Hey, Becca, that's so about it. Thank you so much. Your love is deep. I was for McBrown's Kitchen. Yeah, Becca says, you know, she said, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching on TV and on YouTube, everywhere. We love you.
Yeah, to Kano, get it so yeah, my McBrown's Kitchen.